when she was doing it, she was all like going down and shit.
Let him go, he's next. He was at the last one. He was at the previous one. Did you not learn your lesson, man? What's going on? You're back in the front. He keeps going home. Where you go? The freeway. Watch out. It's oh shit, it's Brian.
Shit, it's Brian.
Okay. Yeah. What's going on? Alright, so I got to John's. He's not here. He went to go get food. He comes back. He pulls up. I see the car. I notice he got brakes. This looks like his other car, you know, the white one, but the only difference is it's an STI. He just got an STI within a week, and last week, and yeah, within a week, and we were just arguing about the STI and the regular WRX. What's underneath the hood that you want to show me?
He wants to go to the big breaks. He wants to go to the big breaks.
Just for the big breaks.
Just for the big breaks. That's it.
Woo. Hey, it looks pretty bomb. Cameraman, what are you doing, dude? I'm like, I'm over here.
I'm not supposed to see my face.
Pull them on.
How does it feel?
What?
Being 23. 23 years old. You're old. Oh, wait, 24?
Are you serious? Do you think he's 23?
23, 24, right?
He's 24.
24, yeah, okay.
It feels whack.
I couldn't remember. I knew he was somewhat.
I'm 1 year.
What do you mean it feels whack?
I'm 1 year closer to retirement.
Damn, man.
I'm gonna get my pension soon.
I think you're a lot of years fucking far away.
Holla, dude.
You're a lot of years.
Oh, you're feeding her, huh?
Oh.
That's so cute. Yeah.
Hey,
Birthday,
happy
bitch.
birthday.
What?
Damn.
Hey, bro, what's
You
up?
messed up his hair.
Hey, man,
Oh
sorry.
my god. John's giving me the honors to go for a ride in his STI. Woo, we got this. Alright, here we go. Alright, boys. Go ahead and strap in. Almost did sell out. Alright, so now it's Andre's turn to drive it. So you could definitely feel the difference. You could definitely feel the difference between the modes and the STI and the WRX. I mean, I can feel the difference. I don't know how this guy's gonna do right now. We'll see. How'd you like it?
It's really nice. It has a lot more direct feel. The torque is definitely, it lasts all the way through like the range a lot more. And the sound is crazy.
Do you want to test drive it next?
Yeah, I'll do it another day.
Alright, yeah. No, well, no, this is their only chance.
Oh.
It's either now or never, dude.
Yeah, we're trading it tomorrow.
Yeah. It's only a one-day thing.
Thank you to Subaru of Alcohol for letting us borrow this spot.
Alright, you guys, right now I'm making another video, but I gotta make an outro for this video because the camera died and it did not save the video, so I gotta make the outro. But anyways, thank you guys for watching as always, and subscribe if you like what you saw, and like as well. It helps me out a lot. Thank you very much. But don't forget to also hit the links down below to go into our online shop, get your shirt today. At checkout, type in Meister to get 10% off your order. And also I have Amazon links down below for any products that you've seen in the past video, or if I have any products in this video that you like or that you see, leave a comment down below and I'll leave a link for the product. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.